Welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing a common issue. Your Swiffer Power Mop isn't spraying. This can be frustrating when you're trying to clean, but in most cases it's a simple fix. First, check the cleaning solution bottle. Make sure it's seated firmly in place. If it's not clicked in all the way, the spray mechanism won't engage. Remove the bottle, wipe the nozzle clean, and reinsert it until you hear a click. Next, look for clogs in the spray nozzle. Over time, dried solution can block the opening. Use a damp cloth or a toothpick to gently clear any buildup. You can also run warm water over the nozzle area to help dissolve dried residue. If your Swiffer uses batteries, weak or dead batteries can reduce spray power or stop it completely. Replace them with fresh ones, making sure they're inserted in the correct direction. Sometimes air gets trapped in the system. To fix this, remove and reinsert the solution bottle, then press the spray trigger several times to prime the pump. If it still doesn't spray, the internal tubing may be clogged. You can try holding the mop upside down and spraying to help push any blockage through. If that fails, you may need to carefully disassemble the spray mechanism for cleaning. By following these steps, you can usually get your Swiffer Power Mop working again without replacing it. If this video helped you repair yours, hit the like button, subscribe, and share in the comments what fixed your mop. Thanks for watching.